Hi crochet lovers, welcome back to Miguelscrochet. In today's video, I'm so freaking excited guys because I finally got my package from Andrea. This is I managed to snag 2 crochet hooks from her last sale, which, these are Halloween inspired crochet hooks. And yeah, I got a package, so I'm so freaking excited. So I thought it would be super fun to open it on camera. And actually guys, I actually filmed her when she was packaging the video, so I'm gonna insert the clip right here so you guys can just see along when she was packaging this package for me. So I'm so freaking excited, so let's open it. In the meantime, you guys can watch the clip right here, so don't bite me and watch the clip.
Thank you so much, Miguel. Thank you. Okay, so Miguel got 2. Miguel has been waiting for months to be able to get one, and I was so excited when he said he got one, and then he was able to get one in the second sale. That's so exciting. So I'm going to package these up for you, sir. Oh my goodness, they're going so far, Miguel! I love watching things go all over the world. Like, that is so exciting. I'm so excited for you to get these. Oh, how cool. Oh, thank you so much, Miguel. Thank you.
Alrighty guys, I got the package right here, so I'm dying. Alright, the first thing I see is some Skittles. I love Skittles, you guys. So first I'm gonna do is enjoy my Skittles. Thanks so much, Andrea. Gotta love some candy.
So we have 2 amazing hooks.
Amazing.
So Miguel was able to get a neon green glow-in-the-dark Oogie Boogie, and then the very first crystal jack-o'-lantern witch boy hat. Like, look at the little crystal boy. This wood is also a newer wood to us too. So I love this one. Like, there's so much detail right there in the front on this one, Miguel. Like, I love this.
Alright guys, I'm done eating the Skittles. As you guys can see, the hooks are very well packaged, very well protected. This even fragile, sticker, so really good. So I'm gonna open the first one. Wait, you guys, before I open it, Andrea was super kind and she actually got me, I think in the video I saw, I got an extra custom sticker from her. It's like the poison apple with the crochet hooks on the side. This is so freaking cool. I'm gonna keep this forever. It's like, it's special, something special. So thank you so much, Andrea. Let's see what else we got here. Of course, usually, let's see, Ebony Bacote. So we got here her business card. In case you guys would love to get your own hook from her, it's Wickedly Handmade on Instagram, TikTok. Her website is wickedlyhandmade.com. And yeah, she even does custom orders, and usually she does like hook sales almost every 2 weeks. So yeah, check her Instagram and you guys might check one soon. I've been trying for months, you guys, so keep in mind, I finally, and even better, during Halloween season, I managed to snag 2 finally, because I've been trying for months. So let's open the first one, you guys. So I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited. Alright, guys. Very well packaged, protected, because these hooks are high quality hooks, very protected. And you guys, ta-da! Oh my gosh, you guys, here's the first one. This is the Oogie Boogie. This is the Oogie Boogie crochet hook, and look at the freaking details, you guys. So freaking cute. And I think this is glow in the dark as well, so when it's dark it will glow. So let me know in another video if you guys would love to see that. Oh my gosh, you guys, and it's not even that heavy, so wow, it's beautiful, handcrafted. And look at it, you guys. Wow. I think this is a 6mm or a 5.5. I can't remember, you guys, but this is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed, you guys. Alright guys, so here's the Oogie Boogie I made a few days ago, so I have the matching hook with it. So freaking cute. Thank you so much, Andrea. Love this one. So here's the first one. You guys, this is a collector piece for me. I'm not planning to use the hook itself because I see them as, art pieces. Or maybe I might use it once, but I plan to display them and keep them as art pieces that I will cherish forever till I die and pass them to the next generation. So yeah, guys, Obsessed. So freaking cute. So that's the first one. And the next one, you guys, I'm so freaking excited. I think this is a crystal pumpkin topper one. So let me open it really quick. You guys, are you guys ready? Look at it. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that crystal. It's like a pumpkin with the witching hat. And look at the freaking hook, you guys. I love the wood color. Wow, this is incredible. Honestly, you guys, I'm shocked. This is so freaking beautiful. All the details, the craftsmanship, and on each of all the hooks, you will see the wickedly handmade logo. So wow, truly, you guys, collector piece. I am obsessed. I'm so happy, you guys. I managed to select two. So as you guys see, here are the two next to each other. Hopefully, you guys can see it. Wow. This one is a little bit more heavy compared to this one. I think it's the crystal topper, but nonetheless, these are amazing. Alright, guys, I think that's basically it. Thank you so much, Wickedly Handmade, aka Andrea, for packaging these hooks for me. I'm so happy I managed to select them, and I'm gonna try, you guys. I'm so excited to see what they will produce for Christmas. Maybe there will be some Santa, snowman, something fun for Christmas. So I'm so excited. I have two so far, so this will go on my collector piece rack here. And yeah, guys, if you guys would love to check their shop out, it's Wickedly Handmade on Instagram, TikTok, and their website. Check it out. You guys will love them, of course. And yeah, guys, with that being said, I wish you all a lovely day and see you guys in my next video. See you soon, guys. Bye.